In today's video, we're going to show you how to wipe your Palworld server in the full save restart. So the first thing you're going to do is that we're going to need to stop our server. So before making any file changes, you're going to have to stop your server, which you're going to go into your dashboard. You're going to scroll to your server status, and then we're going to click stop. So we're going to go into manage, and we are going to stop our server. Once the server is stopped, in a few seconds, we are going to go over to File Manager. We are going to go into PAL. We're going to click Saved Games, 0, and then this is the saved one we're going to go into. So we're going to click into this one. This is where we're going to delete the world, the player save data. So inside this folder, you're going to delete the following. We're going to delete the player folder, the file name level, and the file name level meta. So these are the three that we're going to be deleting. So you would delete them from inside this folder. So this action will completely wipe the server, including all player characters, buildings, teams, items, and the current world map. This does not remove any mods or change server settings. This is kind of just like a whole reset of the gameplay. So we're going to delete these by right-clicking it, and we're going to just click trash, and we're going to do all three of those. So click trash and trash so that we have just these ones. Once those have been deleted, we're going to restart our server. So once the files have been deleted, we're going to restart our server. We're going to go back to our server status section, which is just your status here, and we are going to click start. Once the server is up and running, the new world will generate